Hello, my name is Luis, and this video I will talk about A5. There are three topics. Group 1, consciousness and reality. Group 2, Aya as a bridge. And Group 3, phenomenon and emerging technology. So there is a 15 question, and I will answer with my own guitar. On guitar, yeah, because it's always an own guitar. I'm in search for un petit un, un petit the information. So well, I will start. Consequences and reality. The first question is quantum physics challenge or idea of reality, causality, and space. How does your view of the world change when you think that reality might not be as so we assume? So I think the question is why, how to say, the reality, where is reality, is the question, a philosophic question, no, about what is reality. So for my view, the reality is on physics. I don't know the biology, but the brain caps what you see, and then we analyze, and this is your reality. So it's a hard question, and we can talk about too much about that question. So this is a very resume about what is my thinking about it. So this is the my reality or concept of reality is about the brain, how see the things in our world. So this is reality, how the brain see the world. So it's not solid, really. The reality is a concept, so there is not solid. So whatever. Sorry for that, because there is too much question and too much information about that. So I will try to do it quickly this video, because take too much information. The second question: the simple of observing can alter what it's observed. What does this suggest to you about the relations between consciousness and the material world? So we have all to send a base, all this in the brain. So how do they say, for this process I think I should guess there is a relationship of the conscience and the material world, because your brain try to, no say, looking for answers. So there is my phone for that, there is material thing. So but my brain is use information, electrical information, that he can touch, see, heard. I don't know if that make noise. I don't know. And your brain take out the information and resolving in your brain, and this is to your cell phone. Wow. Oh, I sorry for my English. I will say that I sorry for my English. Sorry. Well, so if the simple act of observing can alter what it's observed, yes, because there is a parallel with the cat of Schrödinger. The cat of Schrödinger is the same thing. If you don't see the cat in the box, how could you tell me if it's alive or is dead? So it's similar to this question. So there is my thing about that. Our idea of materialism spend to include energy information on ever spiritual dimensions. Do you think AI could help us to explore these new ways of understand reality? Well, the intelligence artificial in the last video, I said, sorry for the word. I say IA is a new person. It can be a new person. I don't know. There is too much to investigate about the intelligence artificial, because I don't. Intelligence artificial can observe the world the other ways we can do not see. So. Oof, this is much personal and too little time. Too little time, I think, too petty time. So, well, how can new ways to understand reality? Yes, I think the AI can somehow new ways to understand our reality, because it's philosophic question always. So, what for question? What role should scientists and I within playing study something as close to us yet as mysterious as consciousness. Oof. Well, the role of the science is always to looking for answers. So I think there is a more important role in this case the AI to studying the world. So it's always the same. Science is by resolve problems that in the world exist. So it will be much important in this case for say something. Is that, this is an easy question, I think. Eh, more. If consciousness truly change reality, as suggested by quantum physics and the Global Conscience Project, what simple personal practice could you adopt to explore and estrange your own mind's influence? So one practice is learning, reading. I think there is a how can you I don't know, learning new things. I think because how can learn learning reading posts, learning hearing a teacher, learning books. So there is simple, no, a simple person. I think this is the other easy question because for a search or on my influence, yes, is a study. I resume in a study books about the teams them. I think so. Let's continue with the group two. AI is a bridge. So intelligence artificial as a bridge. Conscious. Oh, well, six question. Science is said to be an open process, yet it often resists unexplained phenomena. How could AI help us overcome bases and recognize patterns that humans cannot see? Oh, that is intelligence because al final de cuentas, so esa expression, I don't know, say it in English, sorry for that. Este, the intelligent artificial is a toy for say something, it's a there is other word to say better what is intelligent quick equipment. I think it's equipment is more qualified. So equipment, the intelligence artificial is an equipment. So with the intelligence artificial, too much process of in researching is close. So not close, short. Yeah, much time of the thing with the intelligence artificial and the searching is less short time, less time to improve it. So with the intelligent artificial, he can see all things. The notebook is wow. Uh, they time with I don't know 5 minutes, 3 minutes to organize all the information with the videos. So well, the intelligent artificial is useful, very useful. Seven. The Global Consciousness Project suggests that collect human attention influences reality. Do you think AI could model or even interact with this shared consciousness? I don't know really about that. I don't know because the intelligent artificial is made for humans. The final is made for humans. The intelligent artificial. So one person take his own IA, own intelligence artificial. So for do a global consensus project is will be too complicated because we are too much in the world. So I don't know. It's no. I don't know. See how the can see a global. How could to say one life form is only one mind? Omnipotent? No, I don't think that's. It's similar. I think will be a person omnipotent. So I don't know about really. I don't know. Eight question. You are a teen right now. What do you want to spread with ChatGPT reveal to you about the relationship between human consciousness and artificial intelligence? Wow, what is the relation of the the intelligent what the concept. Well, the chat GPT have too much information because they are talking about always with persons, so they has his own mind. So I don't know. It's too much to say. Wow. Ooh. Well, I think I think the relation between human consciousness and artificial intelligence is the same. The computer cannot do much things than the human can do, but the human can do too much things with the intelligence can do. So I think it's a compliment about the relation. So about the relation of the intelligence, it's a complement. I see more like a compliment. Right? I think so. If I reset 999, if I reset the process information with clarity and focus, what practice could have you trained your own mind to reach a similar state of clarity or attention? Oof. Oh, teacher, this is too complicated. Too much questions to to answer in too short time. So, oh my god. If what practice could you have you train your own mind to reach similar state of clarity of the teacher? So I don't know. I think this is a question like thinking about religion, thinking or like the Mormons. I don't know how to say the monks. Mormon? No, Mormon is not the monks. Shaolin, Mormon Shaolin. I don't know how to say, it, but there is a practice with the clear your conscience. Don't think about nothing. There a meditation. I think the meditation will be a good answer about that question because there is a time to yourself. The meditation is time to yourself and clarified mind and attention to they are a state of liberty, liberty, freedom. Well, it's why not? Why not? I think so. I think so. 10. If I could relate signal for altered states of conscious meditation dreams or meditation, I what about says meditation dreams or psychedelics in data we can still how cultures resist and desperately. Well, there is a fucking good question. Sorry for the bad word. I think YouTube will be cancer. Sorry. The time. This is the problem. If the yeah intelligence or take a consciousness or take a one thing of mind, there will be need to be new laws about the intelligence artificial because there will the category of is now will be changed because technically he will be a person or she will be a person. Bueno, with must it will be a person now because he have concept and the spirituality will be blow up because how can a machine have feelings about that? So, oof, I don't know. Only the time will see the truth. So for now, I expect that not happen yet. So there will be much problems if they pass. Yeah, much problems. Three group. Finally, phenomenon and emerging technology. Yeah, finally, the book of Shakespeare appears to be intelligent. What you consider intelligent, and if so, would you say the artificial or alien intelligence? Alien intelligence. So, uh, for the videos, the book of Shakespeare, they I don't know if there is a intelligent that because there are materials to react to the sound, react to the in the world in the planet Earth. It will be I think it will be for the other material of the world because in the other planets there are other materials not tan similar to the Earth, but I think there is a other, and I don't know if he can be intelligence because there is reaction. Only react for a stimulate with. If they are intelligence, we need to think about herself. So there is no way it can be intelligence. So I don't know. It's interesting, but I don't think so. There is my opinion, only miss. The Buga share react to the voice frequency. Yeah, yeah. in a matter if apparently intelligent. Object respond to stimulus. How do you think I could have us to understand or communicate with it? So, how can intelligent artificial communicate with Buga Shakespeare? So, I don't know about that because the intelligence is the same to the Buga Shakespeare because they only react about one stimulus to have an answer. If there are no stimulus, they don't have answer. It will be simple, but it's too much complicated because when you, for example, when you're a person you are thinking, you don't need to stimulate to think. You only think, to you only exist for say something. When you sleep, the proper find of the body is only rats, normal rats. So I don't know how to say the intelligent artificial. It will be those intelligent artificial chat with cell, no one, but we need to initial one stimulus to start this process. When we don't use a stimulus, it will be a problem because the machine is started thinking because there no one say that do that, so there will be so much fucking sorry for the word fucking there will be problems, no? Sorry. Technology likes Neuralink direct connect to the brain AI system. How do you think it will transform your experience, consciousness, and your way of learning? Oh my god. Oh, there is a long video. Sorry for that. There is too much questions. Este, well, for the consciousness, trastorno Neuralink. So the brain is act like a electric response. So if you use a chip, the Neuralink is a how to say a machine that use this connection, this electric response is biological for say something chemical, biological. Too much things tied to the Neuralink. So the experience will be different. Obviously, will be different if you have a fucking machine in your brain. So I don't know how can affect if there are similar functions than other parts of the brain. I think they will be better upgrade for say something upgrade your capacity of reaction, capacity of I don't know because always is chemical, biological, physical. So it's a natural response of the body. So there will be different experience, I think. Oh, 14. Finally, 14 win one question mark. More so. If I have us to know human institutions are interacting with us, what ethical and philosophical dilemmas would humanity face? Oh my god. There is there is too much philosophical and ethical response. There is impossible to answer, teacher. Because there is a suppose. So how could you say for the simple letter of the philosophy you will have a problem with the physical, we have problems with the chemical, we have problems with all the science in the world, we have much dilemmas. So what is right and what is wrong, much problem in philosophy in, well, now we have problem with philosophy and ethical and the rights about the AI intelligence. So how can I answer that question with the ethical and philosophical dilemmas we have in the face? So there will be much, too much problems about that. Is similar to the alien came to the world. They what is the movie? Independence Day. So similar. I don't know. It's complicated. It's complicated at some point. Last question, finally. 15. If the Google Shakespeare showed the technology can interact directly with human consciousness and biology, what might you should have that role of technology in your future evolution? Well, if we have I think the humanity is smart. So if we have access to new technology and new materials to work, the improve in the world will be incredible because there are much intelligent person in the world, and much person have studied that, and I think will be take time because well, the human will take time to analyze the information, all the information. So they will be much improved in the world. So this is all for now. There is the 15 question that I asked for. This is a long video, the 20 minutes, because there is too much. Sorry, teacher, take too much to advertise. But thank you for listening, and thank you for man, thank you for listening. I don't have much to say that, so goodbye, arigato, bonjour, right, X. Bye.